Yeah, hi. The project title name is Voice Recognition Based Home Automation using Wireless Zigbee and Bluetooth module. So we are using two parts. One is transmitter part and another one is the receiver part. So transmitter part consists of Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board and HC05 Bluetooth module, and we are using one app. So that is a Android app from the Google Play Store. Okay, so we are giving the voice to Bluetooth module and it is converting into the text. The text will be sent to a Raspberry Pi Pico board, and again same data is sending to transmitter to receiver module. Receiver will analyze the data and it will control the appliances. So here SC05 Bluetooth module and Raspberry Pi Pico board, Zigbee transmitter module. So Bluetooth is maximum 5-meter distance, Zigbee is 30 meters to 80-meter distance. So we are using one LCD display, 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 GPIO pin number. So here one hardware part, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico RB2040 board, and SC05 Bluetooth module. It is connected to the serial communication 1, and a Zigbee module 2.4 GHz frequency, 30-meter distance. It is connected to the serial communication 2. 16x2 LCD display. It is connected with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pin numbers. And the receiver module consists of 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, receiver module, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source and converting into 5 volts, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board, Zigbee receiver module up to 30-meter distance, 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pin number, and relay 1, relay 2 fan connected with the GPIO 16th pin, 17th pin, 18th pin. So now I'm going to start the receiver part. So voice based home automation using Bluetooth and Zigbee. Okay, receiver module is connected in the transmitter module. Voice based home automation using Bluetooth and Zigbee. So here we are using one Bluetooth app, SC05 Bluetooth app. Okay, Bluetooth is on. So it is already paired SC05 Bluetooth module, and go to app and connect. Press this, connect SC05 Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module is connected. Connecting Bluetooth module. Yeah, connected Bluetooth module. Light on, light on, light on, light on. Just no came. Okay. Light off, light off, light off. Bulb on, bulb on, bulb on, bulb on, bulb on. Okay. Bulb off, bulb off, bulb off. Fan on, DC on, DC on, DC off, all on, all on, all off, light on, So here is the power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico board, 16x2 LCD display, Zigbee receiver module, light on, light off, bulb on, bulb off, DC on, DC off. relay 1, relay 2. Relay 1 is controlling the bulb 1, relay 2 controlling the bulb 2. And here is the power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico board, Zigbee, 16 SC05 Bluetooth module, Zigbee module, and LCD display. Light off, bulb on, bulb on. Okay. DC on, DC off, bulb off, bulb off. Thank you.